Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stylefit. Hope you all are doing well. So today's video is all gonna be about a topic that most of you have been requesting me, and that is about teenage skincare. So today I'm gonna talk about how a teenager can curate their simple yet affordable skincare routine for themselves to just maintain their skin health. Yeah, so let's get right in the video without any further delay. This is just a disclaimer, guys. I'm speaking about the teenage skincare routine and how to curate it with my own experience. Though the products that I've used till today, I'm not a professional or dermatologist to go in depth in it. So today I'm going to share about the products with which I've tried and how I maintain my skin during the teenage years. So let's get started with the video. So if you are a teenager, I would highly suggest you to stick to a basic skincare routine called CMS routine. So that is cleanser, moisturizer and sunscreen. I wouldn't suggest you to incorporate or start with any skincare active at this moment. So if you have any concerns like acne or so much of pigmentation, you can definitely go to a dermatologist, and if they recommend any actives to incorporate in your routine, you can definitely do it so. But I wouldn't suggest you to experiment at this time. So now let's move on to cleanser recommendation, guys. Cleanser or face wash, both are same, nothing much different, but the cleanser acts a little bit gentle than the face wash. So I have 2 to 3 recommendations right now. So the first cleanser recommendation is this simple skincare refreshing face wash. So this face wash is very gentle. It's 100% soap free. It's great for like all skin types, super gentle. So that's why I thought of recommending you this particular product. When coming to simple skincare, it's definitely simple as the brand name suggests. Yeah, it is soap free, it is non-comedogenic, it is dermatologically tested, and this 150 ml of pack just lasts for longer time, and it is definitely worth every penny. And it's one of the most effective yet gentle and affordable face wash that I've tried till today. So you can definitely check this out. So this face wash is for like dry to sensitive skin type, and if you want a very affordable option, then you can definitely try out this Nivea Delights. It's called the Milk Delights face wash in the variant Rose. So this is a very gentle, it's kind of a cleanser. It doesn't foam much, so it's kind of a cleanser. It acts on your skin and cleanses your skin gently, and it does not have any actives, so it is definitely worth a try. And also, guys, please make sure to patch this, even a cleanser, even a very simple product, before incorporating it into your skincare routine, so that your skin doesn't get affected and it maintains healthy. If you're looking for a cleanser other than what I recommended today, you can definitely check out the Foxtail Daily Do It cleanser, guys. I will attach the picture over here because I completely forgot to take the packaging from my cupboard. I'm sorry for that, but let's speak about the product. It's a very gentle and effective cleanser. It's great for all skin types. It also helps in removing any minimal makeup or waterproof sunscreen effectively. So it is also affordable as well. You can also use my coupon code to save some more bucks. So I will leave all the reference links and the product names in the description box below, guys, so you can definitely check them out. And that's about the cleanser recommendations. Now let's move on to moisturizer. I have 3 moisturizer recommendation, guys. First one is a very good moisturizer, and you can just blindly pick it up if you have oily to combination skin, and that is this Deconstruct NMF moisturizer. So this is how it looks like. It's a simple tube packaging, and it contains NMF complex 3% and 0.2% panthenol, which is great for your skin barrier and to keep it healthy. So this is a very lightweight watery gel kind of a moisturizer. It's so hydrating and nourishing for oily to combination skin. So if you have like oily to combination skin, again, you can blindly pick this out, and this is so good. Next, if you are on a budget and you want a very affordable option in a moisturizer, then you can definitely try out this Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. So this is how it looks like. So this is a great moisturizer for all skin types almost. If you have like very dry skin, I guess you can skip this. It also has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, which is great for your skin barrier again. So it's a very light gel. This is an empty box. I'm unable to show you the texture, but this is a very good basic moisturizer to include in your skincare routine. if you are in a budget and you have dry to very dry skin type, you can check out the Nivea Soft Light Cream. Again, I don't have the packaging right now, so I'll link the picture here. So it's a very like a good nourishing moisturizer. It's slightly thick in texture when compared to the other two moisturizers that I've spoke about today, and it is great for like dry to very dry. It's again affordable, yet it is super nourishing. It also has vitamin E in it, I guess, so it's great for maintaining your skin barrier and keep your skin healthy. Now let's speak about the sunscreen recommendations. Now let's speak about the sunscreen. So sunscreen is really very important to incorporate in your AM routine. That means morning routine, guys, because it helps in protecting your skin against the sun rays, which is UVA and UVB rays, and also it gives a protection against the blue light where you look onto your screen like mobiles, TVs, laptops, computers, iPads, so and so. So sunscreen is a must in your AM routine. Now I have two beautiful recommendations for you. So first one is this Wish Care sunscreen. So this is their niacinamide oil balance fluid sunscreen. As the name says, it has a very lightweight watery kind of a consistency. We can consider it even as a serum kind of a sunscreen. So I will just try to show you the texture, and this is how it looks like. Can you see how it is flowing? It's just a water-like sunscreen which blends super easily, no white cast, and it is great for like oily to normal skin type days. So if you have like oily to normal skin type and are looking for a budget-friendly sunscreen, then you can definitely check out this Wish Care Oil Balance Fluid Sunscreen. Now, the next sunscreen is for everyone, like from kids to adults, anyone can use this. It's pregnancy safe because it's a mineral sunscreen that I absolutely love to use. So I'm speaking about the Juicy Chemistry's moisturizing mineral sunscreen. So this is how it looks like. It's a beautiful tube packaging with a pump, so it's great, right? So it's a pure mineral sunscreen. It has SPF of 40 with PA 4+, and it's great for kids as well. So anyone in your family about 2 years can definitely use it. It is safe to use. Again, even if it is safe to use, I would highly recommend you to patch test before using any product in your routine, guys. So this is a very lightweight sunscreen. Again, it has a lotion kind of a texture, but it is still lightweight. It blends super easily. It's not like other mineral sunscreen that takes time to blend. It blends super easily. It is super nourishing to your skin. It also has many skin nourishing ingredients like argan and aloe. Yeah, so this is great, and it's a pretty worth the money. But if you're looking for a very budget friendly option, you can just check out the Wish Care one. And also Juicy Chemistry sunscreen is suitable for all skin types. So AM routine will be like CMS. As I said before, first step is the cleanser, second moisturizer, and third is a sunscreen. And your evening routine, it would be like just two simple steps, which is the cleanser and moisturizer, guys. Keep it simple, basic till you attain 18 or 20. After 18 or 20, you can definitely incorporate actives in your routine to prevent any skin concerns like acne, pigmentation, or if you have any skin concerns like dark circles or acne scars and whatever, you can definitely incorporate slowly from the lower actives and then increase the frequency and percentage of the actives. So that's about it of the skincare recommendations that I have for you. And I have a few lip care options if you're looking for a lip balm to just complete your entire skincare routine, because lip skin as well is very important as the face skin. So I have 2 to 3 recommendations today to share with you. So the first one is this Plum Candy Melts lip balm. So it's a beautiful lip balm. It's a very nourishing lip balm, and they have many variants. It seems like it's a tinted lip balm, but it is non-tinted, so it's great and school or college friendly as well. So it's non-tinted. It is super nourishing. You can definitely use it in both AM and PM routine, and I love this Red Velvet Love variant. So it is so good. It's super affordable, guys. So all of these products are mostly affordable. I'm trying to keep it affordable and budget friendly for you guys. So the second is like it's a slightly tinted lip balm. It's purely natural. So this is from my favorite brand, Baskin Nature. It's their beetroot lip balm. They even have other variants like hibiscus lip balm, rose lip balm, and like choco lip balm. balm and with no color, like it's a plain nude lip balm. So this beetroot lip balm has a slight red tint, like beet tint to it. It looks so beautiful. Like if you're going outside somewhere and you need a simple tint to your lips, you can definitely try this out. And also it is super nourishing. Even if you have like a slight lip pigmentation on consistent usage, you can definitely see the results. So this is suitable for anyone if you're looking for a good, beautiful, tinted, natural lip balm. Now the last lip care recommendation is again a Nivea lip balm. You have both tinted and non-tinted version. I will leave the picture here because I can't find out the packaging right now. I was using it during my school and college days, so now I'm experimenting with other products that I have, guys. So you can definitely check out the Nivea one. It is super nourishing to your lips. It keeps your lips super nourishing, moisturized and healthy. So that's about today's video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Comment down below if you found these recommendations helpful and what more videos do you want me to do next. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page Stylefitwithjanu for more self-care, makeup and fashion content. If you like to watch such long form product reviews, makeup tutorials and fashion wear content, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button and the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So yeah, that's it guys for today. Until next time, bye bye.